In this video, we're talking about whether you can upload songs made with Suno AI to YouTube. So, it depends on the plan you're using. If you're on Suno's free basic plan, it's just for personal use. That means you can download the songs, share them with friends, or listen to them on your own. But you're not allowed to upload them to YouTube if you're planning to make money from them. No monetizing, no commercial use. But if you're using one of the paid plans like the Pro or Premier plan, then you've got more flexibility. Those plans let you use the songs commercially. So yes, you can upload them to YouTube, include them in monetized videos, distribute them on music platforms like Spotify or Apple Music, and even license them for things like movies, TV shows, or video games. Just make sure you're sticking to the terms of the plan you're using. Always double check what's allowed based on your subscription.